All right, I just got this new Martin. Today we're going to be doing some Nirvana. We got The Man Who Sold the World. This is a David Bowie tune that they redid on that MTV Unplugged. So this is, everything is detuned. Nirvana did that on, I think, all their stuff. So we got E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, B flat, and E flat again. So that makes an E flat chord. So our first riff. Okay, so that's our riff. We got 2, 2, 2 open on the G, and then we got a 2, 3, 2 hammer on pull off, and another open. So we got, that's one riff. So we're gonna do this 6 times. So 2, 3, 4. 2 more times. We're going to hold that A for 2 measures. The first measure, we hold the A. The next measure, he starts singing the line. And then we're going to be on an A major chord. We're going to have down, up, 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 down, up. So we're going to do that twice on the A. We got down, up, 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 down, up. So it's 1 and 4 and. No 2 and no 3. So here we go. 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to go to D minor. Back to A. Then we're going to go F, C, now we're going back to A, but we're going to have a measure of 6/4. So we have 6 beats in this one. So this one's going to go 1, 2, and 4, and 5, and 6, and. So that's to go along with the extra amount of words he has in that line. So once again, from the top of the verse, A twice, D minor twice, A twice, F twice, then C twice, and then we got this new 6/4 we're going to talk about in A. So from A, here we go, 3, 4. Back to A, F, C, we have that A for 6 beats. We got 1, 2, and 4, and 5, and 6, and. Let's try that again. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 4, and 5, and 6, and then we're back to D minor and 4, 4. We'd have the down, up, 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 down, up. So let's go from that A and 6 into the D minor. 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And now we have this new thing, the C riff. So we're going to have the C note here, 3rd fret, 5th string, and then D string, 4th string. We're going to go O, 2, 3, and then O, 2, 3 on the G, and then to that C down here, 1st fret, 2nd string. So the C riff is 3, O, 2, 3, O, 2, 3, 1. We're going to do that 3 times. So here we go, 3, 4. And now we go to the F riff. This is on the big F note here, 1st fret of the 6th string, 1, 3, and then O, 1, 3, O, 2, 3. Okay, and then we're gonna have this D flat major chord, 4 with the 6s barred here. We're gonna go 1 and 4. So that's the 1, the and of the 2, the and of the 3, and the 4. So 1, 2, and 4. So that whole thing, 3 of the C riffs, 1 of the F riff, and then this chord. So we got. Okay, then we're back to the C riff twice. F riff once. D flat chord again. And then we're back to the main riff. So we got 6 of those riffs again. We're back into holding that note. And then we got a new verse. So let's go from the C riff, where that C riff comes in. We're going to do all that section again. So 3 C's, 1 F. You got this chord. And then you got 2 C's, 1 F, and this chord. So let's try that. 2, 3, and. hold the 2, 3, 4, sing in the next bar, and back to the verse in A. We got the down, up, 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 down, up. Here we go. 3, 4. D minor. A. F. C. 6/4 of A. D minor. Now we have more of these riffs. We have the C riff 3 times. 3, 4. F riff once. 3, 4. D flat chord. Now we're going to do the F riff once. C riff once. F riff once. D flat again. Here we have the main riff again. 4 times. Now we're back to a C riff once. F riff. D flat. F riff. C riff. F riff again. D flat. Now we're to the solo. This is page 2 of the tab. We're going to have this main riff again 7 times this time. So we got 3, 4. Now we're going to get into the solo. So he kind of misses a note on the way up there, but we're just going to go like 2, 2, 2, 0, and then take the 2 up, and 10, 10, 10, 10. And I have the timing of these riffs. It's a lot of like just a few notes, but his timing is interesting. So I wrote down if it's like 1, 2, and 4 and all that, where these things drop in each measure. So take a look at the tab on that. It'll help you kind of follow along and have your timing straight. So at the beginning of the solo here, we got 1, 2, and 4. So we're hitting the 10s. We're going 1, 2, and 4. And this is an approximation because, like I say, he kind of missed this early note of this solo. Then we're going to do that. Next measure is going to be 9. It's going to be 1, 2, and 4. And then we come back to the riff. So it's like... Now this time we're going to go 2, 2, 3. The 3 is going to kind of slide to the 10. The 10 is going to be 1, 2, and 4 again. And then 1, 2, and 4, and we got a little slide there. Now this one's going to go. This is like 1, 2, and. So this is a slower slide. Instead of a 1, and, it's like a 1, 2, and 4. So 4. And then next measure of 7s, we got 1, 2, and 4. Now the next one we got 1 and 2 and 4 and. So 7 to 9. Now the next measure of 9 we have. So that's 1, 2, and 4. Back to the riff. 2 to 10, 2 and 4 and 1, 2 and 4 and 1, 2 and. That's that same slow one. And 4 and 1, 2 and 4 and 1. So that one goes 1 fret at a time. 4 and 1, 2 and 4 and 1, 2 and 4. So you do the riff twice and you end on that 2. So I'm going to do one of the riff and then into the whole solo here. So that was the whole thing. So once again, our little strumming patterns we had from A, we had D minor, A, F, C, 6/4 for A, D minor, C riff 3 times, F riff, D flat, C riff twice, F riff, D flat, main riff, 6 times, hold the 2, you got another verse, it's all the same stuff. But let's look at where we go back to the riffs. It's different at the end of the song here, so, or towards the end. So we got C riff 3 times, and then F once, and D flat, that's kind of normal. But then we're gonna have 1 F, 1 C, 1 F. It gets kind of weird there. So 3 C's to an F, 3, 4. F, D flat chord, F riff, C riff, F riff, D flat, main riff 4 times. Okay, so 4 times of that. Now we got more riffs. We got C once, F once, 3, 4. D flat chord, F riff, C riff, F riff, D flat, and you're back to the main riff into the solo. Okay, so the man who sold the world, David Bowie, the Nirvana version from MTV Unplugged back in the 90s. Hope y'all dug that. Got 2 pages of tab to go along with this. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.